Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up Slack keyword alerts. This is useful if you want to stay updated whenever specific words or topics are mentioned. On your Slack dashboard, to add keyword alerts, go to the mini profile logo in the lower left corner of your dashboard. Click on it and you will see the notification settings. This is where we manage our notifications. We can set this up for 30 minutes, 1 hour, or use a custom time. For more notification control, click Edit Your Working Hours. Under Preferences, we will find the notification settings. Click on this. In the notification section, we can see how we will be notified. We can also choose to be notified about thread replies and activity, depending on what works best for us. To set up keyword alerts, scroll down until we reach the Keywords section. To receive a notification, click the field and type in the words we want to track. For example, submission. We will then get a notification whenever that word is mentioned in our Slack conversations. To save, simply press the X button. That's how we set up keyword notifications in Slack. This helps us keep track of important conversations, projects, or mentions automatically by adjusting our notification preferences and adding custom keywords.